So shout out to the tech YouTuber. I came across this video explaining how the new iPhone 14 has a cool feature that actually made me to say, well done, Apple. And the feature includes that when someone has a car crash, the phone automatically detects it and send an emergency. And I mean, that's a cool feature. But for us to really test this ourselves, for us to really see, I bet Shebi can just buy iPhone 14 Pro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And the maker still gets motor, abi?
Nah, the guy even they owe me, sir.
Oh, instead they owe you. Okay. So yeah, we are going to come back with the results and hopefully nobody goes to jail for it. So I am Eugene and this is Brandulox.